and welcome to Flying Fox English. My name is Ruth.
And my name is Rosemary.
Today we're going to look at prepositions of place, which in Italian means?
Preposizioni di luogo.
Very good. Give me 5. So today we're going to look at 5 prepositions, only 5. And these prepositions are in, on, under, behind, and between. So Joe, can you tell me what in means in Italian?
In means dentro.
Very good. Can you tell me what on means?
Sopra.
Under?
Sotto.
Very good. Behind?
Dietro.
And between?
Tra.
Very good. All right, now we're going to look at some pictures and we'll see if we can explain them with these 5 prepositions: in, on, under, behind, and between. Okay, let's do this. Okay, Joe, so where is the cat?
The cat is in the box.
Where is the bird?
The bird is on the box.
Next one, very good. Where is the dog?
The dog is under the table.
Very good. Where is the cat?
The cat is behind the box.
Okay, and the last one. Where is the ball?
The ball is between the boxes.
Okay, all right. Now we're going to show you some slides to explain all that we've seen right now. But don't forget to subscribe, like,
and share.
Okay, so see you next time. Thank you for watching Flying Fox English.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.